Hello, my name's Scott. In this video I'm going to cover all the basics to help you get started with your WordUp-ecig.com DSE 901. A DSE 901 is an electronic cigarette. Let me quickly demonstrate what it actually does. Now at first glance it may appear that I'm smoking. In fact I'm exhaling a vapour. There's no burning, no flame and no tobacco in this product. However, it does contain nicotine, and nicotine in its raw form is actually classed as a poison. Now that all sounds very scary, but as long as you use it in a safe and responsible manner, you have nothing to worry about. Always keep it out of the reach of children. If you get it onto your hands, your skin in general or in your mouth, don't panic, just simply rinse it off. Now let's get started and show you exactly what comes with the WordUp-ecig.com DSE 901. When you receive your WordUp-ecig.com DSE 901, it's going to come in a presentation box like this. Open up the lid and inside you'll find a user manual which I advise you read before use. You'll then find one DSE 901 atomizer and the choice of either 2 automatic or 2 manual batteries. If you chose the manual batteries, you will also receive a charging extender. Take out this section and underneath you'll find a mains charging cable, one box which contains a mains charger and one box which contains 5 tobacco flavoured nicotine cartridges. Before we start to use the DSE 901, it's important that we fully charge the battery. I'm now going to show you how to charge the battery using the mains charger that is supplied. To charge the battery, you'll need the following items: the mains power cable, the mains charger, and either your automatic or manual battery. If you chose the manual battery, you will also need to use the charging extender. Simply screw the 2 pieces together. The charger has a connection for the power cable and on the other end a connection for the battery. On top is the charging status light. A red light indicates that the battery is charging and a solid green light indicates that the battery is fully charged. Insert the power cable and take one of your batteries and screw it into place. The charging status light will now turn red to indicate that the battery is charging, and once it goes to a solid green colour it will indicate that the battery is fully charged. It will take around 2 hours to fully charge the battery, and a fully charged battery can last anywhere between 2 and 4 hours depending on usage. Now the battery is fully charged, we can begin to assemble the DSE 901. It's made up of 3 parts: either the automatic or the manual battery, the atomizer and the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece contains a cartridge which is filled with polyester wool that has been soaked in e-liquid. The battery has a male connection and on the other end an LED. If you chose the automatic battery, this will light up automatically each time you inhale. If you chose the manual battery, each time you inhale you will press and hold this button. The atomizer has a female connection and on the other end, if you look carefully, you can see a steel wick. Underneath that steel wick is a heating coil. The steel wick soaks up e-liquid from the cartridge and feeds it to the heating coil. Once it reaches the heating coil, it then becomes vaporized. The battery and atomizer screw together and the mouthpiece and cartridge fit onto the top and click in place. Your DSE 901 is now fully assembled and ready to be used. As mentioned previously in the video, your WordUp-ecig.com DSE 901 will come supplied with 5 tobacco flavoured nicotine cartridges. Each cartridge should give you around 50 good inhalations. Eventually the cartridge will run dry and will need to either be replaced with a fresh cartridge or refilled using e-liquid. Kosher, USP grade handmade e-liquid, which has been manufactured in the USA, can be purchased separately from the wordup-ecig.com website in a variety of different flavours and strengths. I'm now going to show you how to refill a cartridge using e-liquid. To refill a cartridge, you'll need the following items: a pair of tweezers or something similar, a bottle of e-liquid, your cartridge and some paper towel. Using the tweezers, remove the polyester wool from the cartridge. Now rinse this under a cold tap until eventually it goes completely white. Once it's gone completely white, place onto paper towel, fold over and pat it dry. Keep repeating this process until eventually no more fluid can be seen on the paper towel. Take your cartridge and your e-liquid and slowly fill the cartridge until it's around 3/4 of the way full. Then carefully reinsert your polyester wool and use your tweezers to push it down until it becomes level with the top of the cartridge. Take your e-liquid and add 1 drop at a time, allowing it to soak in. Keep repeating this process until eventually it will no longer soak into the polyester wool. Your cartridge is now full and ready to be used. So by now you should have a fully charged battery and a fully assembled DSE 901. The key to getting good vapour is to take long, controlled inhales. The longer you inhale for, the more vapour you'll produce. Let me demonstrate. Also, try not to keep the vapour held inside your lungs for too long. The longer you hold it in for, the less vapour you'll get on the exhale. Nicotine gets absorbed by the body almost immediately. You therefore gain no advantage by holding it inside your lungs for more than 1 or 2 seconds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please contact the wordup-ecig.com customer support team. Thanks for watching and goodbye.